What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building. What we're going to do today, we are going to cover the most talked about as topic in any Discord, any YouTube chat concerning options trading. You already know we're going to talk about entries and exits, the difference between a scalper, sniper type trader versus a swing trader, and how we go about getting into plays. Guys, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First things first, we got the Tesla chart up. We know Tesla can make a $5, $10, $15 run at any given day. And our job is spot a good setup and do what? Maximize the profit in that play right there. Ride that thing up into the very end. Do we ever know where the very end is going to be? Absolutely not. But we got tools that can help us keep staying in the play and maximizing the life of a particular contract until it hits certain areas. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. What I'm looking for a few different things. I'm looking for a double bottom. What I'm doing, I'm going to scroll left and see, do I see any area of interest that made little bumps in the road that I can spot on the chart. And as you see, I see this area right here where they curled and they went up, they came down and went back up. What I'm going to do, I'm in the 5-minute time frame. This is for snipers, the scalpers, and you can get into these entries if you swing in as well, because you go down to the lower time frames to get your entry. I just predominantly stay in the 5-minute, but I'm going to draw my line right here. I can get a little bit more pinpoint than this, and you already know, if you rock with me in the Discord, you already know I can get to the penny with this. I take pride in being able to call out and give you guys exact levels. We're going to get back over here, and I'm going to draw my resistance area right here. And as you see, where are we at? We got this bottom over here and we got this bottom. If I'm paying attention to this, what I'm waiting after I draw my line out here, I'm waiting for price action to come right back down to my area. Once it comes back down to my area, I'm looking at a few different things. Now, what I'm looking at, and guys, what I want to give you is a valuable piece of information right here. I do not buy calls if the 20 EMA is above the 9 EMA. Don't do it. It's a fake out every time. As you see, you know, what happens? That 20 EMA get above that 9 EMA. The 20 EMA is my orange line. The 9 EMA is my yellow. We above the 9. What happens? Boom, we come back down. Now you think, man, FOMO gets you right here. Oh, man, I'm getting this green candle. Let me jump back in. Why are we getting into that play right there? The 20 EMA is still above the 9. It's a fake out. What happened? Boom, we come all the way back down. Now we sitting down here. Now I'm getting excited because it just hit my resistance area. And now when you hear me say in the Discord, a break and hold. A break and hold is simply a test and a retest. We tested this area right here. Now I'm waiting for us to get a little surge, and I'm waiting on us to come back down. A lot of people think, oh man, it hit D Fresh's number, I'm jumping in. No, because I'm looking for number 2, tweezer bottoms to ride back up. I got my resistance area. I got my double bottom. Double bottom means we came down to an area two times to that same area. The first area, we got a rejection. The second time, we looking for that next rejection. What I'm looking for is a test and retest. I'm looking for tweezer bottoms, and I'm looking for what? The 9 EMA to get above the 20 EMA before I pounce. If you see what happened, we hit that line. Some people would jump in right here. Why? What do you see still above? You see that 9 EMA. The 9 is the yellow line. The 20 is the orange. We still above the 9. It's a fake out. And as you see, what happened? I FOMO'd, I missed. We down here at 415 and went all the way up. That's not the move. You need to retest. What happens? Boom, we come back down here to retest my area. Now, what I'm looking for, number 3, I'm looking for my final confirmation. I'm looking for a engulfing green candle, and I'm looking to my 9 EMA to get what? Above the 20 EMA. And what happens here? We got everything. We got a tweezer bottom. We got a retest. We got an engulfing green candle. I'm jumping in this next candle. If that candle opens above my 9 EMA and we're pushing above the close of the previous candle, I'm setting my stop loss at where we crossed the 9 EMA at, and I am sitting tight. I'm jumping in right here. Let's say that's 421.10. I'm in this play. Boom. I'm riding that thing all the way to 431.50. Intraday traders, scalpers. Our main job in intraday scalping is to maximize that profit because we have no intentions of holding this contract long. We're trying to day trade it, make profit, and get out of there. I'm going to tell you how I go about it. I go about, once we surging, I'm looking for tweezer tops. Tweezer tops mean we coming back down. I'm looking for a tweezer top. I probably would have got out of this play. I'm in Tesla contracts, and today is a Wednesday, and I bought that contract. I have no intentions of keeping that contract to Friday. I'm looking for tweezer tops to come down, and I'm selling. I'm getting out of that play soon as I see it form. If you want to hold on a little longer, and guys, again, if you rock with me and you're in the Discord, I'm letting you guys know, hey, if you want to hold this play, once you start breaking up under the 9 EMA, that's a alert saying, hey, things are ready to go left. If you want to be a little bit more greedier, you go to the 20 EMA, but it's no sense in that. If we day trading, that 9 EMA should be the end of it. Once it hits that 9 EMA and it closes up under it, you getting out of that play. That's for day traders. That's for scalpers. That's for snipers that has no intentions of holding that contract. You bought next week's contract. This is what I do. And I've done this. I bought contracts on a Wednesday and I buy it for the next Friday. If this was Tesla, I'd buy it and I'll buy it for next week. But what I do, I would draw my line if I'm in that contract, and swing traders, y'all pay attention to this right here. What I would do, I draw my arrow right where we closed at up under the 9 EMA. Now, if I got that contract for 1 week, what I'm gonna do, I got my red line right there. Now what I want to do, I want to go to the 15-minute time frame and I want to see, are we closing up under the 9 EMA? And as you see, they're not closing up under the 9 EMA. We stand in that contract. You see, they tested it. They came up under the 9 EMA. They tested that 20. And then what happened? Boom. They kept running. As long as they don't break and close up under that 20 EMA, if you swinging, that 20 EMA. If you day trading, it's that 9 EMA. But they never closed up under the 20 EMA. We running that thing up and we stand into that play until we get a candle that closed up under the 20 EMA. And if you got a weak contract, then you probably should think about taking some profit right there or just killing that thing altogether, looking for another entry. If you holding it for several weeks, you go to the higher time frames. You go to the 30-minute, you go to the hourly, you go to the daily. All depends on how much time you bought into your contracts. This is another way for you guys to be able to identify setups, be able to get into these plays and maximize the play to its full potential by just paying attention to this. And you see, I don't have a whole bunch of arrows on my chart. I don't have a whole bunch of EMAs. That's doing it with 2 EMAs. Now, in real-time trading, I keep the 50 EMA. I keep the 20 EMA on my chart, and I keep VWAP on my chart. But if you looking for a simple way to identify a good entry and proper exit, You can do it. I'm not going to say you only need, but you can do it with having the 9 EMA on your chart and the 20 EMA and understanding candlesticks. You got to know what the candlesticks are trying to do. The candlesticks are trying to tell a story and what the plays is trying to do. Add an extra thing to your bag. Understand candlestick formations. That's another thing. The double bottoms, the W formation, the M formation, the tweezer tops, the tweezer bottoms. Guys, it's so much information out there to look into, to study, to help perfect our craft. But guys, this is something that you can be able to take and add to your bag, test it out, try it, and be able to make money down the road. Utilizing this right here will help you become a better trader. You'll be able to have more confidence in getting into plays and exiting out of plays. And hopefully you can become profitable more often. Guys, again, I can't stress it enough. Set your stop loss. None of this means nothing if you don't set a stop loss. And even better, man, keep raising your stops up. Always try to preserve profit. That's the name of the game. The name of the game is to not give it back to Wall Street. I can be the best coach in the world over there on that sideline, giving you all kind of plays, options, areas of interest to consider before you get into a play. But it's just like a quarterback being on the field. He can listen to the coach all day long, but you are in the game in real time. That quarterback has got to decide, do I throw the ball downfield with 2 people covering my wide receiver, or do I say, man, that ain't a proper setup, a proper play. Let me throw that to the sideline, live to see another down. That's the same thing with you in options trading. You don't have to jump in the first red candle you see going down or the first green candle that you see going up. You don't have to do that. You can wait on the sidelines till you get that proper setup and then pounce, dominate, execute. It's just like the defense in the NFL. The defense is trying to come after that quarterback and sack him and make him fumble the ball. That's FOMO, guys. FOMO is the defense. FOMO plays with your mind and have you thinking, man, I'm going to miss out if I don't get into this play. And what happened when you get into that first green candle and you didn't follow, clear direction? You didn't follow confirmations of nothing. You didn't follow a plan. It started coming back the other way and it smokes you. You didn't have a stop loss in place and you got smoked. Guys, we worked too hard to get to this point right here. We're not giving our money back. We're not going to fall for Wall Street gains because we have the knowledge, we have the education, and we have the tools that we need to protect us from that. So guys, all we got to do is practice patience and we can get there. So, hey guys, I hope you found value in this video. I hope this can make you a profitable trader going forward. But guys, I done took enough of your time, but hey, if you like sniper type, level to level, periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, NVIDIA, Tesla, Palantir, Hut, Hood, Nike, go ahead and join me in my Discord. The link is in the description above. If you like this kind of content, guys, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. And as always, we grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it. Boom.